My name is Kevin Brown, and you watching Bedtime Stories. Y'all have a good day today? Y'all learn anything new about yourself today? Did you know you're supposed to learn something new about yourself? Did you know that inside of you is a lot of hidden gems that you have to sit down and dig out? You feel me? So sometimes you got to just relax and not do anything. Just find yourself, you know what I mean? Ask yourself questions about yourself, you feel me? You know what I mean? That's what I did today. I told y'all, like, I ain't been feeling that good this week, so all day today I just relaxed and I just thought, you know what I mean? I just thought about the things that happened in my life and what was negative, what was positive, what I wanted to change, what I wanted to do for the future, you know what I mean? And y'all not too young to do that, you know what I mean? It's never too young to understand yourself, because once you understand yourself, you'll understand exactly the things that you don't like. And it's important to know the things that you don't like, because you don't want to just waste your time in life, you know what I mean? You want to only do things that make you feel good inside. And only way you can do that is just sitting down, chilling, and digging out your insides and finding those jewels. You feel me? But yeah, man, tonight we got a special book. It's called GoodNight Lab, and it's by Ferris. I haven't read it, but it has one of my favorite scientists on the cover, Albert Einstein. I don't know if y'all ever heard of him, but after this video, I want y'all to look him up because he was a very important and bright person, just like y'all. You feel me? But yeah, man, go ahead and get comfortable. Go get your shoes that you like to, you know what I mean, wiggle your toes in while you watch Bedtime Stories. Go get your snacks. Go get your siblings. Sit down, kick it as we read GoodNight Lab. Come on, y'all. GoodNight Lab, a scientific parody by Ferris. In the Great Green Lab, there was a laser and a lab notebook and a picture of Einstein with a stern look. And there were 3 sticky notes stuck to the lab coats, and copper wire and a pair of pliers, and a spectrometer and a thermometer, and a pen and a coffee and some crumpled rubbish, and a grumpy old professor shouting, "Publish!" Good night, lab. Good night, laser. Good night, Einstein, with a stern look. Good night, light and the lab notebook. Good night, sticky notes. Good night, lab coats. Good night, ammeter. And good night, volmeter. Good night, thermometer. Good night, spectrometer. Good night, pen. And good night, rubbish. Good night to the grumpy old professor shouting, "Publish." Good night, liquid nitrogen. Good night, compressed air. Good night, scientists everywhere. The end. Hey, I knew I was reading this book for a purpose. This book just took me back. Just took me way back to when I was a little kid. The first thing I wanted to do when I was a kid was be a scientist. You feel me? I wanted to change the world. I wanted to make inventions that would help people. You know what I mean? That's what scientists do. And that's the lesson I learned from this book, man, of how important scientists are. And I forgot all of these words, like thermometer, all these words that they were talking about, I forgot all about them because I've been writing books for a long time now. So I kind of put science, you know what I mean, to the back. But this just reminded me how important science is, man. Do you realize there wouldn't be any medicine without scientists? You feel me? We would all just be sitting around here sick, you know what I mean? But scientists, they invent things to make the world better. You know what I mean? Rockets and stuff like that. Like, we need smart people in this world. And I guarantee you, someone who's watching this video is going to be a future scientist who changes the world. It could be you. You feel me? Now, what y'all learned from this book? Y'all learn any lessons? Did y'all like it? Let me know in the comments or text me or email me. I want to know how y'all felt about it, man, because I'm still thinking about it, man. It's like when I was a kid, I wanted to be a scientist because I love the fact that scientists create things. And then when I grew up, I actually became a writer and I write books. You know what I mean? I create it. You know what I mean? I create nothing from something. And that's what scientists do. They mix a little bit of this, mix a little bit of that, and then it's boom. they have something that's gonna help the world. You know what I mean? Like, dang, scientists are really important. Just like firefighters and policemen, scientists are right there because they help in the universe. And that's all we all here for, is to help the universe. Don't forget that, y'all. But yeah, man, like y'all already know, I'm feeling sick, so I'm gonna go ahead on and go to sleep, man. But it was nice kicking it with y'all. Like I say, y'all like medicine to me. When I'm talking to y'all, it makes me feel better. You know what I mean? Because I feel like I'm helping. And anytime you're helping, it's gonna make your soul feel good. So make sure tomorrow when you go to school, you help somebody to make your soul feel good. But yeah, man, I'm out, man. And y'all know what it is. Be you, be true, and be back tomorrow morning for the early word, man. Love y'all. Good night.